Hi guys and welcome to Never Summer with my Spark in front of me. I haven't been doing any videos lately and I've been in quite a bit of, well, work involved and all that sort of stuff, so I don't want to have enough chit chat for right now because I do have a few things that need to be addressed. So this is my Spark actually pretty much ready to go, except some issues which I posted in RC groups. You can hear the servos buzzing in the background because they are digital servos. 7.4 volt high voltage servos from JR. And well, let's actually just want to give you guys a quick rundown. You can see here those are Thames gear with the wheels and the struts, and of course the retracts, the air retracts, also as well here in the front, and they do work just fine. We prepared everything just alright. Now here is basically the cable. You can see the black cable here, that is basically for the air brake and the ailerons. Okay, so there's one that goes onto one board from Emcotech that goes on a multiplex plug, and that is being then connected on my Spectrum receiver. And that Spectrum receiver is the one with the two power leads that go all the way around on my two 1100 milliamp Hyperion batteries, 2S. So I don't have any voltage regulator or anything like that in place because I'm using 7.4 volt high voltage servos. Okay, so here I'm just going to show you guys really quickly that's the air brake. I don't actually need to have it fully 90 degrees extended. The reason is because we have such a massive airfield and a really big runway. I just will be able to slow it down with that kind of degree just fine. Okay, so I'm just here you can see the inside of it. So there's the cables. I'm using Festo. The blue ones are all Festo, and as well with the Festo plugs. Those are real high quality. I don't know if some of you guys in the United States actually know them, but in Europe they're pretty much the way to go, like state of the art or the standard that everyone uses in the high performance jets or anything that actually needs a really reliable setup. There you can see my servo with the servo arm connected right here. Okay, so just gonna put it back down. There you go. Now as for the throw, there you go. So right now I haven't actually on my 11X I don't actually have all too many setups. I have 3 flight controls, 3 flight modes, which I'm controlling right through here. Okay, so basically you can see here basically standard landing. The second one is the flight, and the third one is Expo 1, which is actually the high-speed flight. Okay, so this one here, this is one actually for takeoff and landing, and with that one I can control the landing gear. Okay, so when I pull the switch, the landing gear retracts and put it back up. The landing gear comes actually back up, but I haven't got it right now too much air in it. So if I'm gonna change this to any of the others of the other two, when I'm gonna push the button, basically nothing should happen at all. So I can still use the air brake and everything, but the retracts actually shouldn't actually technically come out. But this is for now not the case. I don't know why. Anyway, The throws are all the ones pretty much basically the same. So you can see here, this is the elevator throw, and I think it doesn't matter. You can see here really slightly that no matter where I'm gonna put it, that it's almost pretty much identical, except the high-speed flight, it just goes a bit backwards. Don't know if you guys can see it. Let me just try that again so you can see that. This is for going down, and this is going for up. Okay. So just giving you guys a side view here. There you go. Right now, the next thing we're gonna have are the ailerons. Okay, so you can see this is actually right now the throw, and nothing yet has been changed on the throw for the ailerons at all. So no matter on which of the flight modes I'm going to, it doesn't change the throw on the ailerons, because I haven't set it up yet. But I'm not quite sure. So this is this is for the left aileron. You can see right here, and this is going right, going left, going right. Okay. Now that's pretty much that for now. And what else do we have? The retracts. Now the retracts is some kind of a topic for me right now, which doesn't seem to be actually working out the way you want it to be. I'm just gonna pump it up. And now the funny thing is, when you guys watch this, you can see that the needle is going backwards. So I pumped air in it, and you guys can see, without doing anything, it just goes automatically backwards, which is not good. Imagine this is happening through the flight right now. Basically, about 2 months ago, when we cycled them, for one charge, I would say, I could cycle them for about maybe 8 times, and now I can even barely do 5 cycles. And I have here 2 tanks, one here and the other one right there, which is the bigger one, and this is smaller. Okay, here you can see the Sturmax fan, and in the back you can see the Kevlar thrust tube and the 4-bladed Sturmax fan. Now, well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop the video right now. But before I'm going to do this, I'm just putting the retract up. But the thing is, when you watch here, this is my both. So this is retracted. It takes an awful long time to actually get back out, and now it doesn't have any more power to go back out. And when you watch right here, you can see actually how much air it lost. Don't know what the issue is. I don't know if it has to do anything with the oil being probably within the tubes. But let's see. I'm just gonna stop the video right now. I'm gonna turn the plane upside down, and to give you guys a quick test with my batteries to see how many watts and stuff it gets. Be right back. Hi guys, welcome to the second chapter of the Spark. Batteries are plugged in through my LDU unit, connected directly to my emitter 2, which is already ready to go. I'm running actually 2 5S 6200 mAh 35C design power batteries. They have been proven so far to be really reliable batteries, and they actually keep the voltage on an acceptable level, I'd say. So now you can see the location of my Castle ESC. It doesn't have yet the foam piece in it. Okay, so there's nothing like that as of such, but it has been upgraded to firmware version 4.1 4.01. So Let's go on to it and make a frost tube, make a frost test and see how that goes. Ouch, that was loud. Don't know if you could hear, if you could see it, but I think it was something around 4,000 something watt of power. Let's just see how that goes again. Four and a half thousand watts, 120 amps. Yeah, that's around the thing that I have right now. Ah, my ears. Mind you that I'm using 85 diameter exhaust tube. So this is not actually been made for speed, which is alright. I mean, for the first few flights to see how it goes. And timing and everything is set to low. Frequency to 12, and well, yeah, that's pretty much it for now. Let's say how you what are you gonna say about it? Thanks.